2024. It is not the cancellation that was defective, rather the way it was done. It is very unprofessional, very disrespectful that a foreign minister can just use an SMS voice on WhatsApp to stop a long-awaited presidential engagement with the entire business community in Uganda. We thought the president would use a formal letter, a formal Twitter handle, a formal communique from the aides that work on his communications to the State House to tell the traders who are always at our backs as leaders to get them informed of what is going on. The Honorable Minister just dashed out a message to say because Kororo is being renovated, the president cannot meet the traders. The president will meet us at an undisclosed date towards the end of August. Look at this. People have been anxious. They are losing capital. They are losing money. They are eating all their capital because they are no longer working. And now you take it as a laxity matter. No way. We have ever met the president and conference center together. We can meet the president at Nambole together. We can meet the president in Nativu anywhere that the president decides. We are not inclined, maybe for security reasons, that's why we even give an allowance that the president can come out in a way and talk to the business community in Uganda the way he usually communicates to the country. Not through a mere SMS, not through a mere voice of the Minister of Kampala, not even the Minister of Trade. And this is a matter for the whole country. It's not a matter for Kampala. I don't know where the Minister of Kampala gets the authority to usurp all the powers of the Minister of Trade, Industry and Cooperatives, the Minister of Finance, Planning and Economic Development, and the official communicator of government. This is not a Kampala issue. This is a national issue of taxation. All the three issues, people want answers. The small traders, the foreign traders that are dealing in petty business to the detriment of the small business operators of Uganda, and their own factories. You become the factory, the manufacturer, the wholesaler, the retailer, and the hawker of your products. You are depriving Ugandans of every chance to do business in trade. People who have survived in trade are millions, and therefore we can't look and just watch while this is happening. This is why we don't want to create a vacuum as leaders. Traders are determined to close by the 31st if the president does not come out to talk to them using any bad media. Now, it is very unprofessional that we the leaders who started the struggle can watch while the traders are leading themselves into uncontrollable hate. What if the president now wants to meet them? What if there is an engagement? That is why we have joined the traders and encouraged them and allowed them, those who are willing and those who see sense in closing of shops, to remain peaceful. We only urge them to remain as peaceful as possible. The workers it has been conducting demonstrations. We don't cause chaos. We just lock and go home. Anybody who causes problems to the rest, we shall not be responsible, because we are responsible citizens. We have causes that I have highlighted, those doing petty business and their manufacturers and big investors. The issue of weighing taxes on new garments and textiles in kilos is not only bad but illegal. We have cited all laws that relate to this, making it an illegality. Gut valuation prescribes
Bitkan hono kwe twargayo abarokore abarukwirabira omukigombe cyabo echa National Fellowship of Born Again and Pentecostal Churches of Uganda ekiri kumanywa nka NAFBAC erizoba baba beteranire aha kanisa ya King of Kings omurimbarra hano akashozi ka Mukuzi baburwa kugamba enjiri eyentunguka bahaburwa okugira ngo hona hibaraze bagambe enjiri yentunguka omwanya gwo kuburra kutari mu bikorwa ebyo nabyagambwa Bishop Dr. Silas Tayebwa obyaba nagamba ho nabahereza batari bamwe na bamwe okurwo mu makanisa gatari gamwe na gamwe omukicweka ekyankore katubirebe
okuya abarokore bihanga rya Uganda nibegita bakakora ekibina kimwe ekirikwiza kubana kibategeka ekya NAFBAC ekine kya National for Born Again Fellowship Pentecostal Ministries of Uganda Churches okwatanisa kugira ngo abarokore bagire iraka rumwe kandi nabambenda kukora ekintu cyona bahurwe iraka ryabo rizahiguru mweno mu kwezi kwa kana bakargeyo kandi bayemeka batongoza Bishop Dr. Silas Tayebwa kubanwe yaba umureberezi w'amakanisa agona agabarokore umucyange cyankore mweno kwihanaza ahantebe nayemekwa akargeyo kandi yatekaho entekateka yo kugira ngo abarokore bakakwatanisiza hamwe kandi baretaho entunguka umbarokore babo erizoba aha kanisa ya King of Kings International Ministries haba hariho urukiko rw'abahereza abarahanga hamwe n'abareberezi b'amakanisa g'abarokore mu bicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe kugira ngo akaganira ahankwatanisa hamwe n'entunguka yabo nk'abarokore we more kajina ubwo nawe no mureberezi w'amakanisa g'abarokore yargayo no kushaba abarokore bona kugira ngo bakwatanise ngwaho nbo baratunguke
kagira ati tukaronda umurokore no mwene hasi yagerata yabura hati nbagira ngo better late than never hati yagata mu murya hati no mutine hasi today konka tomorrow nuza kwa mugireki mujini nabo cyo nanyango kintu cyakire tukikunde kandi tukitecyo mu nkora nani bashaba kugira ngo twena twatanisize hamwe icyo kubanza tugira umwe tukore nka timu wakaniye kuja kutwiha level eka tutahandisha ekyakasha kugira ngo tukikunde tube passionate about what we are going to start obukeija mwacyakira obukeija mwakikunda.
Bishop Arijuna yagumizamo no kushaba abarokore bona kugira ngo bagwatanisize hamwe kandi bagirira karumwe obwo bo baratunguke nkabarokore.
And they don't want to go back to the village wenda kuguma ungatwabegesa baka kwata vision age they can go back ushange mu kwa mu town nurebererwe byawe biri mu cyaro you get it. I think I know many of people mwani serious and na contactingire abantu baje mugati ya ndio ni kuzachana yakazo wa hasi. Yes. So nijakazo wa hasi kureka we need to be sure about market sustainability.
Muvakedo no gwe banonya tumujja mwankole return yankole yokka oba tusobola okumujja kufa ekyokubiri nti tusobola okuyiga okulima ovakedo ono ne tumulima ewaffe batulimisaako vanira akaseera ne katuuka vanira ne bagamba vanira takyalina mutindo takyatunda takyakola ki so bwe tunaamala otunda ovakedo.
Bishop Silas Tayebwa byaba liyo nashobora abarokora aba yarigeno kubahamuza ngo akatare k'ebihingwe bakwenda gukora ngo bakine ngo akuba nibishikira kimwe ahasosi.
Sustainability of market kwataganire kimwe na source mu China tukugira ngo tukwatagine naki na middleman netushikira kimwe kora mu source kandi na ekibuga eki kitwineyo turimu tukireta ngo tuje tukikora omukago n'ekibuga kitu kyambarreki then tubase gukora that exchange nka so ntabwo ekyo ebimwe tuza kuba tukwatagana na meya n'abandi na provincial wito kutwara ekibuga kureba ngo akakwata kokona kagireho kimwe.
Bishop Silas Tayebwa ati yakomaho yashaba abarokore bona abatakombekire n'abatakafunde emyanya yo kombekaho amakanisa gabo ngo batize ngo akuba efula etatiza ebaragiha
ansayin kumanya nemwe harimo abina amataka batagakozesa mbwenu ngo enfretatiza murabo wabo nani ngushaba ngo bagendo zo umuntu mwetize witaka obe myaka 5 kwara kupanyise myaka 5 nurga muwayire muri yawo abantu bamwe abakiga bakabarega kabarebije bijo witukunu yananka ikikazo akikaho kusaba umusozi aderatereka mpinge nyamo mutete bamwingereza abwinga aya mu mutete ahinga binyobwa nyinja karagurenti 5 umwaka gurkwija gurenti 3
ahabwa GNTV yagarukotya Mwesije Patrick omurembo orwambarara Wewe mnyonga Mwesije Patrick na bagenzi babo amakuru yago bitkandi twagumizamo niye shonge mwe emyeto kwetorori hange ryo nabashabwa okuruga omubutabanguko no kwejumbira omubyo kwe karakasi za hangoto kureka batamani omukora no kurunda emirimo nari okwehangiraho emirimo yabo nkabo umwanya gwo kuza hangoto kuza kwekarakasa betu bagira ngo bagire emico mirungi babase kweha omboro kurabira omukora kw'emiringo etari yemwe nemwe konka we yiga Yasini ogunumwe bembezwe myeto omuri isingiro nawe yashaba government ngo abantu behayo kora emirimo ejo nayo government ebateje amato ereke kubatera empembe na muzana katubire ubwo omwihanga rya Uganda tukiriyo ntubuzabuzibwa ahabo bwesharingo butari bumwe na bumwe obw'eminyeto bargireyo bakatambura bakazayishengero rya Uganda bari kwenda kugira ngo bakaganiraho n'abembezi babo bari kugira ngo nkimanyisa abebembezi abasindikireyo abagize ngo babazwekere tubakubazwekera ngo ko bari kwenda ngumeno bashimiye ku bantu bayishirayo bakegambira eminyeto iturigireyo kugambaho nayo bagiyeyo no kutugira ngo eminyeto kwesharinga bakabiye batakine mu buzibu ngo akaba bari yagurwanisa oburibwe nguzi bino bushobanguzi yo mwihanga rya Uganda nkonka emiringo ibarigireyo no kwesharinga bino kugira ngo baganireho n'abembezi babo ngo niyo etakire bakabima banza bahandikira mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda n'ingabembezi babo kugira ngo bakaganiraho nabo ubuto abantu gambaho no ikitinisa iga Yasin uguno mnyeto arukuruga omuri isingiro yargayo no kushobora ngo mnyeteji ebire etagwire mukonka bagume bagendere omumateka
haruzi bakweta intelligence led information omwe hari icyo bitwata kumanya nk'abantu gawana yici ebi kubasha kubanka intelligence organization bakwa bagazarinjire umwe kumanya kandi oshanga ubumwe na naba bakuba bahandikira bamwe tubacitwara in good faith abo a competition kutegatega mu political space bashaka kwatwara political space oshanga umwe babazibira alongside that line of politics kandi ubumwe oshanga babazibira kurugirira information ibafundire kuruga hansi activities ezo okashanga nzibanzenda kuruga mu nkakabi akakubasha kusisa business z'abantu so nyo ni ntekateka ngo tukabire mutwena oyire hukala obumwe black au brown ninga nupu ninga FDC ombigombe bitu tukabe tuine inquatanisa tukoraganara hamwe twakwenzere gambansho mumuhereza space mumuhereza ubukumi mumushiziba mumuhereza na nengendero ni kugendera kugira ngo yes
Yasini yargiye no kwabarabe
noza kuchikora izoberi twenda abantaba bahereza limitation to numbers ninga mubateraho program y'ibaragendero bakishikirize then mukoreshi mu bakume nene bagambe cyashimye kubana bagamba habo kubo mugiye bakugambe bimwe harimo kubo bishikira tibyo nango babikozere ki bikwire so babigamba tuyihamo filtering konko shanga umwenga ko nanagambiye intelligence ihange dine studenta security organizations information ejo gukwisha ushanga ba emwe yaza mu politics umushanga ishikire hato mwingi abantu bahanse ushanga twakora kintu twacenge kikuba kiri cy'urugendo mwisho konka kuba kwa bine intentions nyinshi bakugira ngo beragama ka corruption n'imitekateka nka Yasini bagabe babikiriza bagamba hanshonga kesho
we iga Yasini yargiye no kushobora ahantunguka emyeto y'umwihanga rya Uganda na mnonga umucanga cyabo ekisingiro ari kugira ngo emyeto nyingi bariyomba basiga onyuma omuntekateka hamwe na program za government
ushanga batusige nyuma mu program za government mara harimo kezi bibya parish development model harimo Israel Food Fund harimo na nebingi sente zikugenda nizo mu minyeto konkano shange minyetemwe itazifunga kandi yazifuna nabo tekuzikosa kugira ngo yitungure atoshanga twafuna challenge ejo kandi cyo mwinchire twabebebezi ushanga naka harimo bwone ikizire birebe cyenda kwiti hangiri ushanga umwe nagira ngo natari wayasina tarampagire ikigombe nani nkore ikigombe mutarubasha kandi ntunguka te kumanya kigombe te kumanya pate ningori wa NRM ningori wa FDC cyo kureba ngo President Museveni na preaching unity twena whether you are NRM whether you are FDC whether you are PLU whether you are NUP mwena mshimire kuba numukwataniza hamwe cyaza kigambo cy'intunguka so ureba ngo icyo kintu kibura mu mbebembezi bitu tunywane sana na n'imyete indisho ukashanga icyo gap yarugaho bitwina bebembezi na eminyeto
we igayasini agiye no kwabara eminyeto ntahiye kugira ngo bargeyo berundane ngo bakore mu mateka ngo barije omukwesharinga
kugamba okushitamira ururimi nabwo ni kibi abo bako kugamba uhuru nano wahiguru ahurura mukamihanga president with fountain of honor ahurura konka ekirimo muri yebyo engeri bacikoramo umuringo gubacikoramo niyo tushanga buzima konka ko bakubire bahandikira bakahandike cyandiko cyabo bakabakira bakaza parliament bakabahereza intebe bakadressinga place bakataye cyandiko cyabo nindegateke cyo kikakora kikakweri hangire eshikureta aho kugira ngo nibenda besharinge no kugira ngo bababuze b'imahanda channels zo kurabamo aho kuba abamuko bakuba bine bakwenda kutayo babikiriza abandi bacenda kugambaho bakora ki banga sinyo nitekateka ngo bahereza bakora an inclusive environment emyeteje bakagireka ikagamisira karyayo itagire mu kuzumukisha business zabandi nitekateka ngo cikakiyamba bagwa kumukugamba ibintu bikora ki bihuru
ahabwa GNTV yagarukotya aliho open naki
Bitkan Doctor District ya Kasese abechibina echa National Unity Platform echiri kumanywanka NUP bargayo bahayo obushaho 25 bwa simenti okubasa kwera omurimo gwokombeka irwaro erya Mbata Health Center ya kabiri omugombora ya Bwesubu District ya Kasese abantu bagira ngo abeceke kiningashi abaturage bomwanya ogwo batwire nibagendo rugendo ringwa mnonga kuza kutunga obujanjabi no buhereza bw'ebyamagara okurugwa omwanya ogwo nahabwecho okwebwa obushaho bwa cement nikija kubahweraho omurimo gwokombeka irwaro ryabo eraberhehi kubasityo buhereza bw'ebyamagara omushachi witu w'amahurire abira Kasese reka bitwistyo
abaturage kurugwa mu cyare cyambata bwatene betombwita ahabuyamagara kugenda kubi akushangu nabatambura inje urugendo ruringwa babambatwara umurwire umwirwaro ya government eriko mushangu mu rwera ubahati bari bakwece kubasika cyona kureka ngo basakwana bamaraho ebyamagara eri kugenda kubi umucekeke abechi bina cyo bajora kanisa government cha National Unity Platform bagamba kuba basakwana maherezo y'ubushaho 25 bwa simenti hamwe no mushenyi okumarira irwaro Mbata Health Center 2 irikushanga umugomboro yabwe Sumbu district ya Kasese arugamba n'abanyamahurire bwanyuma y'ugamba n'abataka we orukure kibira cha National Unity Platform umurikasese Brian Basisa yasakwa na shaburi omwena owakubasakwa na arga yakayamba ayamba abantu bo mucwekechi basekwa n'amarira irwaro kandi byabigamba aruka ubushaho 25 bwa cement hamwe no mushenyi arukwikiriza okuraganisa ko mhandicyo kibina cha National Unity Platform Hosinsale wisirubongoya okuyakozere ningashe ubuyabaraganisa wabari mucwekechi
ngabora bedwa lero lino Mbata Health Center 2 tulese ibintu ku bintu ebimu byetulese cement tulese n'omusenyi bigenda kuyamba okuzimba structure eno gye muraba eri mabega wange wano njatwala mukisa guno 1 okweyanza omukuba naffe gwe bayita Jonan Bwambale y'omu ku bantu abayina endowooza ey'okwesimbawo mu kitundu kya Busongora County North. Twajjako wano ne Secretary General w'ekibiina kya NUP n'ababaka abalala ne bakandisi bafa abalala. So twala omukisa guno nti tulimba ate nga bumulaba wano waliwo eddwaliro yayitefaana bweti eddwaliro lino lyali libulwako omulimu mungi naye mu kusooka twajja ne tukomissioninga eritoyi gye mulaba wansi
Jonan bamwenda bwambare kandogu norkwenda entebe y'obucico mwishengero abwa busongora y'amatemba niyashaba abantu kurga bakasa kubona bakwatanisa kandi bakasa kubona bayamba abantu omucwekeki babaretera amarwarro babombekere ibyo kubajanjabiramu embabazi hamwe n'ebindi ari kugira ngo nana orubaro rw'abantu abashinyira omucwekeki rweyongire ari kugira ngo bitaga iby'amagara ebiri kumara omucwekeki abantu base kubona bashinyuka
n'ekirala a government mukakane nnyo ku bakozi banagaba government bana babbe eddagala bano kubanga omuntu abbe eddagala ate enkeera nadda ne muwa transfer nadda walala ndere mugamba nedda tukuwa deposition endala naye abantu bano mutandika obasiba kubanga fe abanasi fe abali mu kubonabona fe abantu bawaasi tuli mu kubonabona ate naddala nga tusasula omusolo kubanga tetwandibadde tubonabona bwe tuti Busongola North tuyina ekizibu ekyokubeera nti tetuyina amalwaliro ate n'amatini agaliwo temuli ddagala kati tukuba omulanga gavumenti muveeyo mujje mutuyambe
kwakira obuyambo obu Abel Mayombo kandi ogunorukurra akakiiko okukurebererwa reri yasakwa nasima abikibiina kya National Unity Platform abwo obuyambo babahereza ari kugira ngo nubuza kubasindika ngo kushaba abantu bona bakaruga kubayamba
umukuru yayirenze naye atakevuleta akituhereria mashinjara buleta bwabo nibo mabirihika kandi najona ne bamwenda tukakushima busana neribya ewe birirengekanya uti womahirako etripungu mayo museye eyigashe tuwe kikaya washinja kutsibu eriro ruli etwiri enutule yubuyira situte irwaro eriro ruli tukarengekana ya byamabere janja bwandeke omuta hoyiba bwamba akende bakituhereria akende binyakasa byamari yamabere
Jonan bamwenda hamwe na basisa Brian basakwa basima okinsare wisi rubongoya agwo bushagico byabahereza ari kugira ngo bwiziro mbwire kandi obaye bari bagezaho ukwasa kwa batereza by'amagara mucekeke
ate dagala botuka mu dwaliro nalyo balitunda mwattu ate kye kizibu kye tuyina enti egwanga tetumanyi wawe tulaga corruption eri buli wamu nguze buli wamu otuka ku dwaliro ennene lye tuyina nga Bwera hospital otuka ene bakugamba genda ogule eddagala wabweru kati bweyobebera hospital kati kiye kinabeera kulino health center 2 ojja kusanga nga mulimo panado ojja kusanga nga mulimo pain killers ate omuntu nga yagala eddagala erina musobozesa okola ki okubeera bulungi kati ekizibu kye tuyina amalwaliro amatini agaliwo nago temuli ddagala government tukuba omulanga amalwaliro amatina agaliwo tusitokingemu eddagala
watali madwaliro kiba kitegeeza abantu bangi nnyo baba bajja kufa watali madwaliro kiba kitegeeza bamaama baffe ababeera n'embuto nga bagenda kuzaala bajja kufa lwansonga eddwaliro leba teriri kumpi naye kati kino kitegeeza nti Mbaata tugiyambye okulaba nti abantu baayo batukibwako ensonga zino ez'ebyobwebulamu kubanga nga bwe mbagambye nti kilometers mpitirivu okuva wano okutuuka Kasese mu town osobola okufuna obuyambi naye but at least kati abantu batumanyi nti kino kijja kusevinga obulamu bw'abantu bangi eddwaliro bweba nga weereri so nja kusiima ekisooka ekibiina kya NUP obweyamu bwe beewaayo okuweereza abantu b'Embaata tubutuukiriza
abwa GNTV agarukosya kure Robert muri Kasese
Wemnonga kule Robert abw'amakuru ago bitkande twagaraka hano omurembo rwambara hona kandi orumeya w'ekicweka ekyambara City North Honorable Chabwisho Brazil gumisiriza yaragayo yashaba government ya Uganda kutaho mu nshonga zabo ezikwatirine n'esente zabo ezikanso eremerwe kubahereza nagira ngo enshonga egi ni nkuru munonga kandi bakwataho nahabwekyo government ekiteremo tochi hona nabwo yaragayo yashaba abazaire okubasa kwegesa abana babo ebikwatirine n'emyoga y'ebyemukono okugira ngo hona bakachendeza aha ibura ry'emirimo omwihangere Honorable Chabwisho
bwati kanso yona y'omurembo orwambara erukemero w'ekitinisa Robert Mugabe Kachebezi wabingi bari kumanya nketara y'orembo orwambara igiremu obuvuyo kandi hazamu obutabanguko bwingi munonga aweza division zona ibiri zirukwenda ebintu byabo bakurundana okuruga mu division zabo bakabitwara aha kanso enkuru eyo rembo orwambara kandi ebindi bikanga kugarukayo enyumaho tukabantu harebaho ba kansara aba division ya north yarukwemerwa isinisa hone bogumisiriza Brazil cyabwisho barukuza aha kanso ejo yo rembo rwambara barukwenda ngo bahereze sente zibakurundana kuruga omishoro kandi zikanga kugaruka mwene rizo tugamba hono witinisa gumisiriza Brazil cyabwisho norme yawa division ya north yargayo no kutsobora ngo no kwisya obwambwenu tubakabaherezaga sente izibabire bashabere kansoejo ngwe bahereze mwenu ekipapara cyabo ekibabasindikire kugira ngo babahe sente zo bariyo baza kukigumizamu ngo bundi kikashikana mukuru y'ihanga ya Uganda
ankaburizo amategeko ko government gukora kanso ya hansi kanso ya higune banetegeke ya hansi twine kizibu nambara city abo kusoroza sente zempa musoro isitwete za local revenue isitwiho mu butare trading license property tax na nezindi emisoro itukusoroza yona mu state yona bageta local revenue hazo murimo gwayo no kurebeka ngo habaho embera nungi umutahuni na numbantu umukorera abante mahanda kuboneza amashomero kuboneza ubutare nangwa na street lights kuko kubireba
hone bagumisiriza Brazil cyabwisho yargiye no kutsobora ngobo obusente obineho bakargiyo babukoresaho emirimo mike kandi sente ziba kubanza kanso yo rembo rwambara one sente izabe zigenewe gukora emirimo nyingi munonga nguyargayo no kugitebeza
zimwe sente izitukushoroza kambara city north division kizikuza kampara mu finance zagaruka arimbarira city ukuzirekura ku gasite biza division nekizo umwaka ugwabandize tukasigara nka division ntibanza sente zikuka miliyoni 9 ubwo mwaka ugwakora sireho ugwa kabiri nangogwe tukagura mu twikiriza nangu tugure tractor yo gukora imihanda y'abantu ubwo mwaka gutereze gukwire nyumwebaziyo kwa mukaga mu myaka byesende tubanza mbara state council sente zikufika miliyoni 6 na n'izindi local revenue miliyoni 8 property tax miliyoni 5 na n'izindi izo sente zona zikabe zizo kwereza ubuhereza mbantu
Brazil cyabwisho yargiye no kushobora bwakini benda sente zibashororize zemisoro bakazitwara kanso ari kugira ngo hine bintu byinji eba ryakora ebirukwetagisa sente ngingi munonga mumwene bayambe bazibahe
kati twerize korente bizamashomero tukazishashwire ku kazi ryo mu mashomero contractor na advance turiyo tusare mihanda tukashashwire turiyo tuombeka kanso horo keshashwiro ebyojo yona nimirimo etu akwentukora nanendize imihanda yo ombyaro yo kwereza obuhereza umbantu nka division tukashitama twahandikira city council town karaka yiza yashitamanito yatwumvisinga yatugira sente naza kuzibahereza urukiko rwa kabiri sente nakuzibahereza urukiko rwa kashatu hati n'amasumu kitutaga kwata mwene shaha yona nka division tuzakuba twakora decision tuzakora petition mu parliament tuzakwapira ngo mu public accounts committee ya parliament ya PAC tuzakuzowa auditor general tuzakuzowa IGG uko byona tugenere kuronda sente zo gukora imirimo y'abantu bakabikohereza
Brazil cyabwisho yargiye no kutsobora bwaki batakatungire kasenta ko
local administration ahasite kugira kimwe ahari karakana n'abakozi be abo kuminsi managing budget ico kacu burize speak kandi yaho ujya ngo bakayunguza ngo zituke zitatuka wetabuza tesente katwagire ngo zituke zitatuke kizibukiriya hari town karakana n'abakozi be
Brazil cyabwisho yagumiza muno kushaba abantu bo mu rembo rwambara nonga division yarwebembera yambara city north kugira ngo bakorese amani minji kandi bashomesa abana babo
no kubasha bakoresa amani icya kabiri no kuteka abantu mu mashomero habo kubihangeri biza kubonerera abashomero kandi amashomero tinkumanyisaga gamana gantare za Merihiru twina amashomero gitu agatekenuko agakusomesa emishomero by'emikono ninga iyi president ya skilling Uganda twine za technical schools twine kakachika technical school twine Nyamitanga technical school twine za Kahaya amashomero agonogondo kurusha bangu abazire batecemwe abana especially abatakuye basagi
wishoti yakomaho yashaba abazire ngo baza kushomesa abana babo bareke kubahwereza mu masecondary agamana munonga mukonka babateke no mashomero gebye mukono nubwo turarwanise okubura kwemirimo
umwana yarabo mu technical school akashoma imyaka 3 nkahari kacika nkahari Nyamitanga nanaganda gamashomero agaragatu za Rwiziringiro za Rwentanga nanagandi umwana yargayo akamara imyaka 3 tarukuza kushana hano waza umusiniya akadropingira umusiniya 4 inga siniya 5 ubwo watekenuko naza kuba naza kuba yine byakora kandi naza kuba yine cyakwekora cy'umiyamba uwenka we hamwe na nekaye kandi ubwo muringo gumwe ukuratungura igandege ahabwe by'imikono twekora kandi uko muringo gumwe kuturacendezemo kwa rusoboro na unemployment ningo kubura kwemerumo mu Uganda yitu
ahabwa GNTV yagarukotya ariho open na Clinton na Mjomba Murembo
twayongerayo ministry y'eby'omushuburo amakorero hamwe nebina ebyeterine kitwakubasa kweta Ministry of Trade, Industry and Cooperatives yatandikaho ehuru yo kubangura abantu aha bikwatirine n'iteka ryo kurwanisa eby'omushuburo ebiri omukatare kandi hona ebirengeze obunaku narshi obwire byona byababiri hoteli ya Generation Suits okubasa kuganiraho n'abantu okurwa mu kitongore ekya ministry eji eyagambo haruguru bit kandi omushaki wetu w'amahurire yabariyo kandi kabikuretere sasireho ntija kuba ntukuretera amahurirago ombwire oburije kugarukaho mahurire gitu agarukwija bit kandi twagumizamo omukyala w'omugenzi Meja Edward Rurangaranga orukumanywa nka Wilfred Rurangaranga yargaho rizoba yatakira omukuru w'ihangeri w'ekitinsayo Kaguta Museveni okubasa kumwirukanjira no kumuhwera hari kugira ngo abana nibenda kumuhezaho nibenda kumwita kandi nashaba obuhwezi abo kuba abana bamberire kindi kintu katubirebe
omukyala w'omugenzi Meja Edward Rurangaranga urukumanya nka Wilfred Rurangaranga aho nogo bwa hati yargaho kuterera mukuru w'ihanga ya Uganda w'ekitinisa His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni n'umuranga arakumujyango abase kumuhwera kumujuna kandi hona kumutambera abana bari mukishe abarhomba muraza taguje giro bwa hatiya aho kugira ngo aba barhomba mubinga omwitaka kandi arije mu cyumwe no mu majuga bishebo bari kugira ngo tubacu mwenda aguma mu majugabo.
I'm appealing to the President of Uganda to help me because at the moment I'm being sent away from my home by my children, the children of my husband. They are saying I should leave the home. They have taken all my coffee in the garden. They have taken all the banana plantation. They have taken all the maize plantation. They have taken all that I have planted. They have taken it all. And yet, my late husband left a lot of loans, which I've been paying. They have even taken a commercial building in Chitagata Trading Center, which has been helping me to pay the debts of my late husband in one of the financial circles in Chitagata. They have taken it over, and that's where they are now collecting all the money from the rent.
Evyona Winfred Rurangaranga hona yabagabo byanaganira n'umunyamakuru wito obutwa mushanga omucyaro cyo kumanywa nke cya Rukondo egera kushanga omutano kanso ya Kitagata hona omuno mu district ya Shem ahiyargayo no kutugambira ebizo byone byariho narabamo aha ntiyargayo no kutugira ngo bwahati atakine bukumbe bwono mukayeye ahabwo kuba abana bakargayo bayiha abasirikare bona byabyaine kandi nawe nati na ayirarekera ariko jango hona bwashisha ryari nke yo musinzi ngo abana boneshe ekiro cyonna ningo bwire bwona basa kumutahirira amagaragaye bagacwekereza.
I don't have any security at home. I'm scared living even in my home. They have even fenced the whole land, and they are telling me to go out of my home, and they have taken all my crops. I'm at a danger of dying. I'm asking the president to come in and help me because I don't know where to go. I'm the widow of this home, and I'm being chased away.
Obwahati omwana gwono gyabira hinjire gurukikaheka mukaga bakargaya abana bazishoroma gucura umuto kandi batyo bagutwara icyakugira ngo ikihona kimurekere atakine kasente munshaho ahabwo kuba ehiyabe natekateka kwiha kasente bizire bintu babimusisira kandi babimwihaho.
All the coffee has been taken. All my coffee was harvested when it was raw of 6 acres. All of it was taken. Even all the forests have been cut down and made into firewood and also sold into charcoal, and all the grasses in the wetland have been collected. Everything, even stones, they have put fences, they have put everything. They are asking me to go away from my home.
Nagirango amabanja gamurukubi kandi gamuryo mu maraka abihiro umwana tayinezo kubagarura kanangwa na za banki zo kubanjiba nangwa na wenyine takine sente zo kubashashura kuba umwana gweye gukargaye gwashishwa yargayo no kushabera mukuru wihangari ya Uganda Wachitini Yoweri Museveni okubasa kubita mukito kandi akamujuna abana aba
umwana ugumukureba ugugona ni 6 acres ugukureba ugugona ni 6 acres hatezi 6 acres nizo nabeni manyangu niza kuyihamwe sente nashaba abantu sente nukunyize mbahemo umwana konka mbwenu abo kugira ngo umwana bakagwiba gwona tinyine mwana gwo kubaha kandi tinyine sente zo kubaha navuga icyo abinahira umwana bandu kubimunonga kandi amabanja go mwani gandu kubi umwana tuguruho kandi ne sente tezuru mbwenanisha abo buyambi president abo kuba umwana gwona bakagutwara gwa millions and millions of money nkabere nimbashashura even loans zine hiro bank nazo nkani manyangu niza kuzishashura go mwana kunka sente tizitungire abo kugira ngo umwana gwona bagwisi bakagusora magona bagutwara
tiyasha babukwezi korwa mukuru wihangire ya Uganda wenka bite nabantu bona abakubasa kubana bamusasunga babase kuja kumuhweraho no kumukwatiraho ahubwo kubwa hatiya abana no bamuraza tagwejegire.
So I'm begging for help from the president of Uganda. Please help me. Help me. I'm in great danger. And I'm asking for security because I'm very insecure at home because of the children, and they have influenced even other people to come and attack me at home.
Dza Asimuka Jesse, Mathias Atukunda, ahabwa GNTV, Omurshema.
Twashashaneka ejo ey'omukyala Wilfred Rurangaranga bitkandi kuhona omwebembezi w'ihanga bikiri kukwataho abandi barakucekwera efakazi ejo bwanyuma ya district eya Kitagwenda kurugaye kashozibwa omu mpaka z'omupiira eza Toro amashaza cup hona barigireyo bagira ngo baza kutungura ekicweke ekyabo ekibari kurugamo bari kutungura ebyemizano omu kicweke cyabo batandikire n'enkiiko ez'okwetebeekanisiza ebikwatirine n'emizano okugira ngu nabo ekicweka kyabo kikarugayo kimanywa aha maapu ya Uganda nari kukyakwenda n'okurengaho aba Kitagwenda.
Abebembezi abebyemizano omu district ya Kitagwenda bekyerire mbanja ahabwe nkwatanisa mbi ekibarimisa kuzana kurungi omupiira gw'ebyebigere no kuhangura ekikopo mu mpaka za Toro amashaza kapu omu bukama bwa Toro. Ebyona bigambirwa mu rukiiko okugarura busya entebeekanisa z'emizano omu district ya Kitagwenda kandi orukiiko rushitamire ahari Ntala Primary School omu district ya Kitagwenda. Nikigambwa ngu bwa nyuma ya district ya Kitagwenda kushohozebwa Mwenge South omu mpaka ezatora amashaza kapu enshumi nke hingwire kandi eziri kugenda omu misho abebembezi n'enkunzi by'emizano na munonga omupiira omu district egi batandikire kwecyorera n'emanja ekimukize bamwe omu bakuru by'emizano kushitama no kuganira aha nkurakurana y'ebyemizano mu district ya Kitagwenda obwo na FUFA ebahire empiira yo kuza omu tiimu zitari zimwe na zimwe omu district egi.
Wayeta enkiiko z'abantu kuza kushamba omupiira okareta naapo etariho omwe okasiibaho wenka na niwe kikuteera entege. How best tubasa kushamba tuta ekyo ekya 5th division.
Reporting day batugambira niyo yabera kick-off. Ninsubira tukaterana samu yajya mwana mbasa kutavolinga ekiro ntuza kubateeka anankeji omu fixed okure mutikikabasira kimwe so nkimanyisa itoba katufereza kuba katu information ebi
kyakwaso kyaremese tuni mukigambo cyabagana cyesente amwe nenanga muntu abasamba bakuru binenanga muntu bakakura kandi abara bakusamba tibinenanga muntu cyabikize kuna bitera ba managers ngabasambi banje bamwe batunga accident tibinenanga muntu
yanyu mutumitinga then tutumanye gukora iki kugenda nsaba ko wargo kaza nko mucyaro kabuza oto district sports officer no agahanga tabakumumanya wagira ati ya paso DFA tabakumumanya mbenu nsaba tugume tubafune ninga mufuno hugwire
omu rukiiko oru bamwe borekire bizibu ebyabaretire batakora kurungi omu mpaka z'amashaza chairman wa Kitagwenda District Football Association ayegekerire obutejumbira omu nkiiko z'ebyemizano omwanya ogwo. Ito rukiiko arugire kwera bikirizine ku Judith Nisima omukuru w'ebyemizano mu district egi kwakwija kugaruka kubabugana ebiro 3/8/2024 n'abandi kongera kutebekanisa empira district nka 5th division kikabahwera kutungura ebyemizano hatarimu kuryana.
Nkayendeze tugire nka pre-tournament twagira pre-tournament mwene tuyambe kuselectinga nka team tutashanga abantu nibatukwasa nga ompira gusambirwe kikeje ompira gusambirwe ababuhanda bonka bwencha ababuhanda
mwene atwaza kumwikiza gendo ofisiye when we come back on the 3rd ariza aine full information then tutekanize turku basinga a 5th division yitu tuko cyafutwa yamu
we know Sky TV mwana mutakagambira amakuru ago buseri bazoga mu makuru ago wani konkitwe ahagura undi turku tukora be baza kuteka eya ine cyo mukozire mwe ngo baragamba mutinde cyo mukozire so nimba shaba ninde batino hoti muzinga ihunga kayinja nkubebe uri musitimu zitano ninga mukaga.
Were mnonga amakuru ago bitkandi twantendera amakuru geri izoba katubagarukire ombekuru ebyagija bwebembiri.